G'day guys, Sammy Hitzke here. Now I'm out here on this glorious day. I'm going to teach you guys how to do some fast jigging. Now fast jigging is pretty physical, but it's great fun. An awesome way to target your deep pelagic species, like pelagic reef species like kingfish, amberjack, dogtooth tuna, all those cool species. So it's pretty simple. All you need, gimbal belt to make it comfortable during the fight, some jigging gloves. I've got an overhead. Kyle's going to use a spin. We're going to show you how to use both, and of course I've got my jigs. Now the jigs we're using, they're a knife jig style, so they're long, quite heavy, between 200 and 300 grams. Got our assist hooks hanging off the top. If you check out some of the other videos in Fisho, we'll show you how to make those assist hooks as well. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's good fun. Probably going to have a sore shoulder by the end, but might get a fish or two while we're at it. Righto guys, get ready for it. Righto, ready to rock and roll. Got my gimbal on, gloved up, ready to rock and roll. Now first thing, we've marked some good bait on the sounder. Going to drop my jig down, and once we get to the bottom, it's go time. So I'm just thumbing the spool as it goes down so I don't get an overrun. So a little tip for young players. Righto, I'm on the bottom. So the action we're going to do, it's going to be quite a fast lift and wind. So as I lift up, I want to use the other hand to wind while I'm doing it. It takes a little while to get used to it. Once you get the hang of it, you'll form quite a nice rhythm and it'll become a lot easier. So if you watch my hands, as I lift, this second hand goes around. So here we go. Then once you get the hang of it, you can slowly increase your speed. Now once you do hook up, what you want to do is you want to keep jigging through the hookup. So you want to keep jigging to really set those hooks, make sure they're in firm, and to get the fish off the bottom. Kingfish and amberjack, all they want to do is dive straight back into the wreck or reef, wherever they came from, and bust you off. So keep jigging. Then once you really get sold on them, they start to take some line. Put your rod into your gimbal and fight from there. And you'll have a lot more power and it'll save your arms as well. Righto guys, now Kyle's going to show you how to do the spinning one.
Alright guys, same sort of principle as what Sam was doing. We're basically just dropping this down to the bottom and using the same mechanical motion and pumping it up as quick as you can through the bait, the fish, whatever, trying to get that reaction bite. So, rough demonstration. So once we're on the bottom, everyone has their own little different nicks and knacks when it comes to the jigging, but I sort of just, as Sam described it, try and pump and wind as quick as I can up through the bait.
Well, there you have it guys, fast jigging. It's good fun and great exercise, and the fish love it as well. So check out this bit of action. While we're out here, we got stuck in a few fish. Good times. Righto guys, have a good one. Cheers. And that's why you fast jig. How you going, mate?
Oh, I'm knackered.
That's a big kingy though. Nice fish. Hold him up if you can, if you got any strength left.
Oh, he's gonna go nuts.
It's a nice fish. Be about just over a metre.
Yeah.
Maybe 8-9 kilos. He's cranked the long fast jig.
Got the nipple.
Nice little hook up in the corner of the jaw, and that's a lot of rod bending and hard work. Nice fish.
I can go home now.
There's yours, the little one.
Oh, he's alright.
I got a radius again.
Not as big as last one. How much better is it with a gimbal?
Nice little fish.
Not done yet.
You did all the big ones. I got 2 rats.
You just got to have what it takes. There we go.
That'll be a nice one. Dirty.
So good.
Love the pace.
Woo.